Are you getting clicks but no sales for your affiliate products? If so, you're going to want to watch this video right until the end because I'm going to break down exactly why this may be happening, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step process that you can follow and start implementing today so that you can make some conversions. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name's Andy Mattis. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content that I drop on how to make money online. And if you're somebody that's getting clicks but no sales, why not leave a comment down in the comment section below and let me know what's happening? I will read through all of the comments and personally respond to you just so I can point you in the right direction. So welcome back, guys. And as you can see, I've put together a diagram so that you can actually have a visuals of what I'm actually going to be teaching you, right? So the first thing we're going to dive into is traffic. You know, the quality of traffic that you have is going to be really, really important. And as you can see in the top left-hand corner here, I've got solo ads. Solo ads is a terrible source of traffic, and I highly recommend staying away from it at all times. Basically, solo ad vendors blast their email list with thousands of different offers each week, and it really breaks the trust with the subscribers. So the quality of the traffic just isn't there. And I can almost guarantee that if you've been running solo ads, then you haven't made a positive return on investment. And the reason for that is because the quality of the traffic is really poor. The only people who are really making money with solo ads are the actual solo ad vendors themselves. Okay, so there's a few different types of traffic that we need to understand, and they are warm, cold, and hot. Okay. So cold traffic are things like solo ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, and stuff like that. And these people are cold because they don't know who you are. Okay, they may be going to watch a video and then this ad pops up and then you're trying to sell them something. Okay, so these are going to be the hardest people for you to sell to. And then we have warm. Okay, so if you're one of my subscribers, you're actually warm traffic. Okay, you already know who I am. There's a bit more of a relationship built there. There's a bit of know, like, and trust factor. So these people are going to be a little bit easier for you to sell to. And then you have hot traffic, which are people that you've sold in the past, and these are going to be the easiest people for you to sell to. So if you have sold people products in the past, as long as they're good quality products, they should come back to buy from you again. So I would recommend reaching out to these people and seeing what they have to say. Okay, one of the common mistakes that I see people making is, especially on Facebook, is spamming links in the DMs, right? This is not good, guys. Now, I was going to give you an example. Just imagine that you're walking down the road, you're minding your own business, and a complete stranger walks up to you trying to sell you something. I think we've all been through this scenario at least once in our lifetime, right? And what most people do is they would just pull some face and just walk off, right? Completely ignore that person. And the reason for that is because they are cold, right? You don't know who this person is. There is cold traffic, okay? So these are going to be the hardest people for you to sell to. So you don't just want to be spamming links in the DMs because that stuff doesn't work. It's never worked and it's not going to work. Okay. So instead of spamming links, what we do is we then drive that traffic to an opt-in page. Okay. An opt-in page or a squeeze page, whatever you want to call it. And on that opt-in page, there may be, a little form where they enter their name and their email address, and then it would take them through to a page that we call a bridge page. Okay. So this is where 90% of your efforts should be focused. So instead of linking them straight out to the affiliate products like a lot of people do, we're sending to a bridge page, which has a little video with some information about the product that you're trying to sell, right? A really good way to create this video is to use storytelling, right? So as you can see, I've just done that a minute ago. We've given you the example of, you walking down the road and a complete stranger walking up to you trying to sell you something. And what this does is it makes the viewer run through a mental movie inside their head as they're watching the video. And it's a really great way to connect with them and warm them up. Okay, so another thing that you want to add in your video is bonuses. Okay, and the reason for this is because you want to position yourself differently to 80% of people out there who are marketing already. And it's really not that difficult to do this, especially if you're selling something such as like an online course or some sort of education program. One of your bonuses could be that you're just offering support. So instead of just selling them this affiliate product and earning a commission and then you never hear from that person again, you can actually build more of a relationship by actually helping them, okay? And you only need to be one step ahead of them in order for you to be able to do that, okay? So when it comes to your bonuses, you really want to be thinking about how you can make this journey quicker, faster, and cheaper for them, right? So keep it simple, guys, and just think about how you can stack your bonuses in a way that's actually going to help them, because this is going to help you make more conversions in the future. Now, if any of you would like my help in putting this stuff together, please click on the first link down in the description below and schedule a call to see if we're a good fit to work together. I'm Andy Mattis, and I'm out.